So we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to claim an Illis passport. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure I'm signed out. If I'm a new user or if I've been returning, I just want to make sure that this is a fresh start. I'm going to click reload. And when you land on illis.ar, you're going to be presented with this modal to discover. If this does not pop up, you can go into, there's a little account icon on the top right, which will show claim passport. So I can click discover here, or in this case, I'm gonna click sign in. I'm gonna go ahead and sign in with MetaMask. Okay, let it connect. Sign the transaction. Give a second to think about it. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I click on my profile and I'll see, okay, here's the area to claim the passport. Click next, next. So there's a bunch of information about the application that's great to review, about permissions. I'll click the passport here. Now I'm gonna go into, now it's basically asking me if I can go into AR space, checking for my permissions. So if I tap this I button, it can disappear the modal at the top if I want to get a better view of things. So there's the passport. And when I click on the I actually tap on the actual passport, it's going to say minting. And there you have it. Now the passport is minted. So if I want to go back and finish up my profile, I'll just click finish profile, or I can return to the main map. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the profile. Cool. And now you'll see that I have the passport in my possession, and now I can navigate around to the different experiences in the world.